Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah. Let's all take a ride. Savannah. I'm coming home. Savannah. We'll never be alone. Savannah.
And stands by doing what's right. We want to hear from you. Shoot your resume over to together@cromwellmedia.com. That's together at cromwellmedia.com. Let's make magic
Railroad
together.
crossing.
This week's Nashville's Best Deal is for Nashville's largest axe throwing venue, Bad Axe Throwing Nashville. Go to 1021theville.com/deals to get a $50 gift card for 20
Train car.
Aim for a great time while enjoying panoramic downtown views.
There's
music,
train cars
curated
right
cocktails
there.
From the full bar and a Northwoods inspired menu. with
Yeah, those train
Southern
cars
Twist.
leads to
Bad
those
Axe Throwing
Nashville Western
welcomes axe throwers and
train that they
non-axe
leave right
throwers
there.
alike. Bad Axe Throwing Nashville, 648 Fog Street.
Because it's just a Nashville line, just where the train passed through here and over there to that other railroad crossing over there. Yeah.
Wounded Warrior Project was created to help our men and women.
And the other one down there is the 18th Avenue.
Whether those scars are physical or
Train spotted right here. I just saw CSX trains right here.
It didn't start right here. It ended.
Yeah. I know. We freaking. I told you there was a train right here. We freaking missed. We're not just gonna miss it like this. We have to chase after it. I am not GT. I am not like GTA. I know this freaking train was gonna pass through here. Turn right. Just turn right. Screw the freaking food. I'm trying to catch this train. I just, even though I just saw it from over here. Okay. All right.
Oh, God. Oh, get Wendy's and McDonald's on your head. Y'all niggas do the same thing, and I swear y'all never get tired. No,
Turn.
Fam, y'all eat Wendy's and McDonald's almost every day. Y'all taste buds trying to get tired of that shit.
All right. So we just saw a CSX train right here, and we're trying to chase after it. And train tracks where we're crossing. Oh, I think there's just stop right here. Let's just keep straight.
Hey, would you like to buy
Hurry up.
Only $2.50. Only $2.50.
Oh my gosh.
$10.
And all times they gotta stop. They gotta pick now. Hurry. Turn left. Okay. Nah, I'm not gonna do. We're not turning left. I just seen this train and we have to catch after it. Okay. Go. I still see the train car right there. Jay, shut up.
You want me to slap his teeth out? Yeah, I told you, shut up, nigga.
He's not gonna be quiet. Train's right there. Train's right there.
Okay, shut up, bro.
I think it's gonna stop. I think it's gonna stop. How much further we gotta go? How much further we gotta go to see the front engine?
Alright, you think I'm playing? Chase my face. Yeah, they still be fading.
I still see it. I still see it. I still see
They
it.
get a fade with a taper in the front.
Just keep going straight. Just keep going straight.
Fade was like
We're downtown Nashville, Tennessee, chasing the CSX right here, and we're just gonna get.
taper, you know, they taper. Yeah, man.
Go. Just keep going. Just keep going.
I was gonna cancel your Christmas with Sunday break. You think I'm kidding? I got something.
Wait a minute. Hold up, we're going the wrong way to turn left.
This is 102 on the bill.
Yeah, you said I don't know why this is
Just turn left.
my car, my mom wouldn't hear no cry. Please, why would you do this to me?
Turn right. And it's an intermodal. It's an intermodal. Right here. That's a train intermodal right here.
A grapefruit with a fade.
Another train. And there's two trains. There's train me. There's a two CSX intermodals, and one stop right here and one still going. We're just gonna go to the railroad crossing. Turn. Bro, this is crazy. This is a train me.
Hey!
Literally behind.
See what it keep getting in my face, huh?
See, look, it even says intermodal right here.
Hey, look, y'all ain't coming with me no more.
Tell him to move.
Left.
I ain't going left. You know it's traffic on this street.
Go.
Yeah, like we driving in there.
Wait, we have to see why this train is stopped right here. Bro, this train's faster than us. See, look, Ava says CSX intermodal. Here, we gotta turn this. Ava says CSX intermodal. CSX intermodal right here, and another train going through. We're at the park at the CSX line right here. All right, we gotta stop missing these trains every time we come here.
Train is still going.
Wait, we have to come back here Sunday at 18th Avenue. So, and we have to wait until we hear the sound of the train horn, cause this is just too much, and the train is still going by. The train's still going by.
You don't know what the fuck that shit even means. Not God.
Go, 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 go,
Yeah,
go, go.
you don't know what that means. What does it mean?
Go, 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 go.
Exactly, and her butt was flat as hell.
And this train stopped right here because this CSX train went under emergency, and the other train is still going. It is under emergency, like literally.
Basically.
This other train's still going.
Get back and we was headed to that boat.
Literally, this other train's still going.
Truck, and now they expect that nigga to say nothing.
Hey, no cursing.
So what you expect me to say when you gotta what you gonna do with that big fat?
Just shut up.
I'm gone.
CSX Intermodal.
We got mostly dudes that girls. What you want me to expect? What you think? You want me to look at a nigga butt or something?
Just still go. Just still go.
Ooh, that's a cute song.
Oh hell no, big ass boy.
Like road run out.
Road didn't run out. We're just here by the CSX.
Tails, you heard me?
All right, we're here by this train right here.
No sir, that John got us deep.
It says don't enter over here.
Oh, I'm going down the wrong road. Lord have mercy. Let me get out of here. This is a one way.
It just stopped right here.
Trying to run after a train. Wait, see, it just went through. They lit the thing up, and I'm going the wrong way.
Hey, look, there's a CSX engine. There's a CSX engine right here. Stop right here. Stop right here. Stop right here.
But they not moving.
I know this engine right here. And there's the CSX engine right here. It just stopped right here. I don't know why it stopped right here, but it stopped right here, this railroad crossing right here. Like literally right here. It's just a CSX engine. It's just a CSX. It's a CSX 98. It's a CSX 98. This is the intermodal of the CSX. Literally, this is the engine right here.
Yeah, that ain't moving. Sure gonna see that thing store.
But we gotta see if this engine is gonna go by this railroad crossing right here. See, look, it even says CSX Intermodal right here. Hello there, CSX. Hey. Go.
I'm scared your teacher got that gap, bro.
I'm not going nowhere.
That's why I tell you stay off these short.
Oh, it's moving. I just heard an engine. Is it gonna move? I hear it. When's it gonna start moving again? I still gotta go to this railroad crossing right here.
You at the railroad crossing. How you gonna go to it? What are you talking about? You're right. It's right there.
I gotta see if the gates are gonna go down. If the when the signal when the railroad crossing signal it always shows a sign when the CSX train goes, if it moves, then the gates go down.
That's a real deal break.
So I think it's just waiting for the right time to go to the railroad crossing. It's not going.
You heard me tell them? They was drinking too much Corona. They was drinking too much Corona.
CSX 98 right here.
What are you talking about? Drinking?
I don't care.
What are you talking about?
I said people was
Okay,
drinking
so-
too much Corona.
So we have to wait for the right time if the CSX is gonna go right here.
I was talking to my girl. I was talking to my granny.
CSX 98 stopped right here at this railroad crossing.
You don't know who it gonna leave. I'm not staying out here all day.
But
Oh, that's the Batman
if we
building.
see, we hear it. If we see, we hear it. If we see, we hear it. Railroad crossing right here, and it stopped right here. Literally, at this railroad crossing, and that other CSX is over there. But this one stopped right here. But this one is just stopped at this railroad crossing. This is just a CSX intermodal. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. Go, 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 go. The heck is it doing? No, no cars right here. They gotta let the thing down. When they gotta activate the railroad crossing? Okay. Where's it gonna go there? It's I know it's crank. I know it's cranking. Oh. Go. This is so cool. This is so cool. Hi. Hi, CSX. CSX 98. Going through here. CSX Intermodal. CSX Intermodal. The CSX moment has come by this railroad crossing right here. We're just watching the view as it goes right here by this railroad crossing at 21th Avenue. Yay! As it comes by here at this railroad crossing. As it watch the view as it goes. And it's finally going. Literally right here. Oh my gosh. Railfanning here, 18th Avenue, 21 Avenue. CSX moment, CSX 98, going through this railroad crossing right here. CSX Intermodal 98, right here. This is so crazy, guys. This is so crazy. So crazy. So crazy. CSX 98. Stop right here. Whoa. Engine too loud. Too loud. as it stops by here. Walmart. We just watched 2 train meets over here, and this one is still going over there where that other train is at. CSX, we finally caught you. CSX. As the intermodal cars goes by. Oh my God, these rails cars are good. Intermodal. CSX 98. As it stops by. How many of these cars are gonna be? 1 intermodal right there and 2 intermodals right over there. Hi, CSX. CSX Intermodal passes through this railroad crossing at 21 Avenue. Literally right here. Right here, guys. Right here. As the CSX Intermodal. As it stops by over here. Bye-bye, CSX. That was cool. All right, gates, go up. It's time for the gates to go up. As the CSX just passed through here. All right. The gates are gonna go up in a second. All right, now the gates going up. All right, bye-bye, CSX.